Portland's most wanted man captured by police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Elroy Griffiths, otherwise called Greg, who was Portland's most wanted man, was captured by the Portland police on Tuesday morning in Hope Bay in the parish. Griffiths was named as Portland's #1 most wanted in September of last year for the murder of Maureen Johnson on August 20, 2019 in Buff Bay. 50-year-old Johnson was Griffiths' common-law wife. Griffiths at the time worked as a security guard at the Buff Bay Primary School, and the Johnson who lived in the Olivier housing scheme was stabbed and the house they occupied burnt. It is not clear exactly when the murder occurred, but the Buff Bay Fire Station confirmed that they got the call for a house on fire in Olivier housing scheme at 9:37 on the Tuesday evening in question and responded. When they arrived at the location, the house was fully engulfed in flames. After cooling down operations were completed, a body was seen on the veranda that was completely burnt. The body had stab wounds to the neck and the police treated it as a case of murder and arson. The two had reportedly been living together for about 18 years, but the relationship was a rocky one, according to police reports. Now, on Tuesday morning, January 18, a joint police military team carried out a raid in the Canewood area of Portland in search of Griffiths, where he was captured. 2 people were taken into custody during the operation, Griffiths and a female who resides in the house in which he was found.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!